Hi, and welcome back to my review of Giants bobbleheads. Today, let's take a look at the Buster Posey bobblehead that was given away just recently as part of the William McCovey Junior Giants stretch drive. This is a pretty cool looking item that was given away. Well, you have to pay $50 for it, but it is a tax deductible contribution. I think if you pay your $50, get this little donation, you can actually write this off if you use the Community Funds Tax ID. Pretty cool looking idea. Give us what we want, and in return we'll give you a nice little donation to help the Junior Giants. Buster Posey is a bobblehead, is a road jersey, number 28 jersey with his name on the back. It's got his name on the back of his hat. It's pretty cool. It just says set stretch drive right there on the back of the base. And the Buster Posey and the name. It's got this nice little stance staring right into it. He's so focused, it's kind of scary. Giants logo right there. He's wearing his batting gloves. But the only thing I noticed is the fact that home plate on this bobblehead is disproportionately small and not quite square. Well, who knows? Maybe whoever made this in China doesn't watch baseball. But Buster Posey as a bobblehead is roughly, let's take about 7 inches tall. So you get an idea that he's pretty much an average sized bobblehead if you're wondering. But it's pretty cool looking. There's going to be, I guess, multiple bobbleheads of Buster Posey over the years. Last year's, they had one where he was catching, and then there were a couple where he was holding a trophy after the World Series, but this is probably the only one I know of where he's wearing a road jersey and about to hit the ball. Although I think I would, turn his head this way. That's a little more of what you'd expect a hitter to look like. Nobody stares off into the crowd when they bat. They look at the ball and then they clobber the ball. In any case, Buster Posey is a bobblehead. Pretty cool looking promotion. The other thing that's nice about this is they went to the trouble of actually making a special box for it. So this is a rare time where a special promotion actually got a fully rendered artistic box. It was William McCovey Junior Giants. It's a great cause. Really love the idea of supporting baseball in the inner city and helping people love to get to play the sport that we all love. In any case, that's my review of the brand new Junior Giants Stretch Drive Buster Posey bobblehead. I'm sure the Junior Giants are still out there, still taking donations through the website. And if you haven't done so already, please go make your donation of $50 and help out a worthy cause. Thanks for watching. Go Giants. Bye.